Two new events have been added to the Digicel Grand Prix Athletic Series, which is set to get underway with the Eastern Athletic Championships on February 12 at the National Stadium. Technical Advisory Chair for the series, Bruce James, gave the details following the launch recently.
The primary changes are age groups and events. We have finally added the hurdles to the Digicel Grand Prix Athletic Series. We now have the 400-meter hurdles across the board. We also have added another relay, that's a medley relay. So we now have 8 individual events and 2 relay events for the Digicel Athletic Grand Prix Series.
Meanwhile, the major cash prizes remain for the winning school and the top male and female athlete, as well as the coaches.
If you win the Digicel Grand Prix Series, on the boys' side, $1 million. On the girls' side, $1 million. Second place, school, $500,000. Second place for both boys and girls, and $250,000 for both boys and girls for third place. Amazing. All participants at the Digicel Grand Prix final also have an incentive of $5,000. Now, there are 40 events, so you can tell that kind of support that Digicel is putting into this event.
The Digicel Grand Prix Athletic Series consists of 5 meets made up of 4 regional meets, followed by a grand final. The 4 regional meets are the Eastern, Western and Central Championships, as well as the Corporate Area Development Meet. The top 2 athletes from each of these regional meets will qualify for the final of their respective events, which will be held during the GC Foster Classic on March 10 at GC Foster.